Hello there, and welcome to a very special Kids DIY. My name is Mr. Martinez, and as you can tell, I am dressed as a gingerbread man. I have my fancy bow tie, I have a couple of gumdrops, and I have some icing or frosting on my body. And what does every gingerbread man need? Well, I'll tell you, they need their very own gingerbread house. And that's what we will be doing today. I will be showing you how to make your very own gingerbread house at your very own house. And basically, I will tell you all the things that you will need. So, to make your very own gingerbread house, there you only need three key ingredients. You need some graham crackers to kind of place around and to make your structure of the gingerbread house. You need some frosting to kind of act as the glue to hold your gingerbread house. And last but not least, you need some candy or some treats that you can use to decorate it. So, before I show you how to make your very own gingerbread house, if you go to our Independence Public Library Facebook page, you can actually sign up to receive a gingerbread house kit. Now, I will have a kit ready here, and I can show you what that kit will include. So inside the gingerbread house kit, you will receive at least three recipes to make your very own frosting at home. And some of these recipes, they include very simple ingredients that you may have already at home. There's one one recipe is where you use pasteurized egg whites, and another one is where you don't have any egg whites and you can use corn syrup or vanilla extract. And then the last recipe that is on here that I use is where you can use meringue powder, and you just add powdered sugar and some water, and you mix up all those ingredients, and that makes your frosting. And then also, it will include some packaged graham crackers, at least 2 candy canes to start your decorating. And in some of the kits, we also included a milk carton. Now, we use the milk carton to kind of keep our gingerbread houses together. But you don't have to use a milk carton to make a gingerbread house, because I will show you 2 versions of a gingerbread house, one that uses a milk carton and one does not. So now that I've explained everything that's in this kit and where you can go sign up to receive your very own gingerbread house kit, why don't we get started and make our very own gingerbread house? All right, so now I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own gingerbread house. And I have 2 versions that we're going to be making today. I have one that uses a milk carton, and I just did a minimal decorating on my gingerbread house. So I will be showing you that first, and then after, I will be showing you how to make one that doesn't use a milk carton. And this one's also pretty cool, and you can decorate it however you like, because you can use your own imagination to decorate your gingerbread houses. And so, let's get started. So first, what you're going to do first is you're going to grab a paper plate, and you can use whatever you like, but I like to use paper plates because they're more sturdy. And you grab a milk carton, and so I have my frosting here ready. So what you're going to do first is you're going to first stick the milk carton on the bottom so that it can stay and not fall over, just like that. And I stick it right in the middle. Okay. And just so you know, the frosting, it will harden after a couple minutes. You can also put it in the fridge to have it harden faster. And what you're going to do next is you're going to grab the graham crackers, and you're going to place 4 walls around the milk carton. And since these ones are pretty big, I'm going to cut them in half, so that way you can use all the graham crackers and not have it become a waste. So I'm gonna grab my knife here because I cannot break them on my own. So I'm gonna cut them in half, and a knife does work better. So yeah. So here we go. We got one piece of graham cracker. Gonna frost one side. Okay. And you're going to stick it on one side, just like that. You're gonna hold about maybe a couple of seconds. I would say about 5 to 10 seconds, and it should stick. The more frosting you add, the more it will stick onto your milk carton. I'm gonna add another graham cracker right here. I'm gonna hold it for a couple of seconds. And then here comes the next one. I'm gonna add it on this side right here. So you can see I have that one going up. And then I have my fourth piece. And that will cover all four sides of my milk carton. Okay, just like that. Okay, so once you have all four walls, now we're going to need some roofs. So let me grab another piece of graham cracker. I'm going to cut it in half. There we go. And I'm going to add my roofs now. And what's really great about making a gingerbread house is when you go and decorate it, you can decorate with whatever you like. You can use whatever you have around your house, and you can use whatever is your favorites. Some examples that you can use to decorate your gingerbread house. You can use some candy like M&Ms. You can use Skittles. Some people like to decorate with sprinkles. You can also use some candy canes, some marshmallows, some pretzels. And you can even use square pretzels for windows, which is a cool and neat idea. So yeah, there's so many varieties that you can use to decorate your house. So there you go. There I have my very own gingerbread house that uses a milk carton. And I'm going to do a minimal decorating. I'm going to, let's say, add a candy cane to my gingerbread house. And that might be just like a front decoration, just like that. And you can even add frosting around your house, just like that. Yeah. So, and you also want to make sure you add a lot of frosting everywhere so it doesn't fall. So I like to coat it with frosting. So there we go. That's what I forgot to do. And so yeah, that's how you make your gingerbread house using a milk carton. All right, and so now I'm going to show you how to make your gingerbread house without using a milk carton. And so basically all you need is your graham crackers. You'll need at least four squares. And then for one of them, you can basically use, cut out two of the sides to the tops and kind of make it as a triangle. So that'll be kind of like the roof of your house. So what you're going to do first is you're going to grab some frosting. You're going to layer some on your plate, just like that. And you only have to do just a little bit on one. Okay. Actually, might grab a little bit more than that. And all right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some frosting on the bottom of my triangle graham cracker, just like that. And I'm going to stick it on there. Okay. You can add more if you like to the base. Okay. So this next part is what you're gonna. It's going to be. What you're going to do is you're going to grab an object, something that's sturdy enough that can hold your graham cracker in place. So I think I'll just use my measuring spoons, and I'll put it right there. Make sure to lay down, like that. So that way it can hold up your graham cracker while you glue on the other pieces. So with your graham cracker, what you're going to do is you're going to see how it goes first. So I need to glue the bottom of my graham cracker as well as the side, the left side. Actually, well, this side right here. So you're going to put some frosting on that side as well. It's going to be the side that is attached to the other graham cracker. And I'll show you what that looks like just right now. So, like that, okay? It's going to hold it for a couple of seconds so it kind of sticks on and doesn't fall off or apart. Okay, just like that. And grab some more. So grab your next piece and you're going to add some more frosting on the other side. Okay, so. And like I mentioned before, the frosting will, it will harden after a couple of seconds. And you can also put it in the fridge to make it harden quicker. Okay, just like that, okay. And grab my fourth piece. I'm going to, for this one, you're going to put frosting on both of the sides. So it'll have it on the bottom as well as the sides. Because this one will keep your structure in place. Just like that. Okay, and now I can remove my object. And let's glue on the next part. Or the, yeah. Like that, I'm gonna, and if you like, you can also add more frosting there. Okay. Grab a little bit more. And I also like to add some on the top to kind of hold it more. That's what's great about frosting is you can put it anywhere you like, because if it's the color is white, then you can pretend it's snow. And that's what's awesome about frosting. So now that you have your structure like that, you're going to grab the last piece. You're going to add some frosting on the bottom and all corners you like. You can do that. And add it all there. Just like that. All right. And then you're going to stick this one on top. So I like to do it just like that. All right. And so that's how you make your gingerbread house without using a milk carton. And so I have here a little gingerbread man. I'm going to add him to my gingerbread house. And he'll be the owner of the gingerbread house. Just like that. And then I might add this little pretzel. I might make that become the window for the gingerbread house. Yeah, just like that. Oops. Okay. Yeah. All right. And so there you have it. So now you can make your very own gingerbread house without using a milk carton. So I'm glad you can joined along this journey with me, and I hope you have as much fun as making your gingerbread house as much as I did. And I will see you next time. Be sure to sign up for your very own gingerbread house kit on our Facebook page for the Independence Public Library. And I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.